I'm Mike with Autel. I'm here at the Detroit Auto Show where we're debuting brand new products. Right here we have one of our products released this year already. This is the MaxiCharger AC Residential. Comes in 40 and 50 amp versions for your home. We have an in-body holster here, but it also comes with an out-of-body holster if you choose to want to hang it on a wall. That's okay. We have status indicator lights here for power, internet, charging, Bluetooth, and RFID cards if you choose to swipe a card to charge. We have a stand. You can buy this separately. It's a nice stand if you want to put the MaxiCharger outside. It also comes with a 25-foot cable. Let's plug this into the Ford Mach-E and see how it charges. If you're interested in buying a MaxiCharger AC Residential, they are $559 for the 40 amp version and $599 for the 50 amp version. Very great deal for this residential charger. Head over to autel.to to place your order today.